So in VLOOKUP, most people often gets confused in while selecting the table range. Like sometimes the column is present in table range, and even then there is some kind of error that is appearing. So let's say we have two tables, and we are trying. So in this orders table, these are the information, and in products there are categories, product IDs. So let's, if we want to get information of sales in this sheet, then we can do that by VLOOKUP uh, of this product ID, because that's the product ID to which our sales is connected in our orders table. So I will VLOOKUP using this to get the sales data from the orders table. And how we are going to save the table array? So listen, if you are going to select all of these things, then for sure you are going to get the error, because lookup values will be present at the first column of the selected range. What's the lookup value? Lookup value was some cell in product ID, but here it's not the first column, right? So it's going to give you some error. So in which column it's present? Seventh column it's present. You can see that there is some error is there, and when I copy the same formula for rest of the rows, then again error is coming. So what you need to do, ki, you have to change the selected range in which you have looked up. So let me write this again. I went to orders table, and you have to select in such a way that lookup value falls in the first column. So you have lookup for product ID. So I am going to select the range starting from here to here, and at which column it is present, at which column of the selected range uh, sales is present. Second, so you have to put 2, then 0. You can see here also you can get any value, because there is no corresponding value present in our orders table. Like here you are looking for product ID, and that product ID is not available in this order column. That's why you are getting not applicable value, but you are getting some value, right?